Hey, this is Reindeer Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 911 GT3 Touring in lava orange. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Very rare and unique paint scheme. As I said, it's a 2026 and it's brand new. Let's take a look inside. This car is equipped with the new foldable bucket seats. It has the stitching on the seats, and silver is on the armrest here. As we look inside, we can see that they do fold forward. This one also has, what you couldn't get before, is a back seat. So this one has a back seat in the GT3 Touring and the foldable buckets. This panel actually comes out up here in case you are taking it to a track. It fits helmets a bit better as they fall into the car. We'll see that 17 miles on it, so just delivery miles. Of course, we have the Sport Chrono dial, stopwatch up in the dash. What's really cool is the 6-speed manual. Just an awesome, awesome combination in this car. And with these buckets, you also now get seat heating. You don't get ventilation because they're cloth, but we do get heating. So if you're looking for a GT3 Touring in a unique color, this could be it. Reach out, Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My direct number is 719-219-5016, 719-219-5016. Thanks for watching.